Hey everybody, so I just wanted to go over a few things considering this is our first assignment due date tomorrow, January 16th. And I didn't have anybody show up for my live session, so I'm just going to kind of go over some different things. These are my dogs, if you didn't already know that. Let me go ahead and show you the course homepage. So there were some people who were having trouble accessing the acknowledgement form. If this is you, there's a link here. If that link still does not work, you can download the form by clicking here. Okay. All right, so our first assignment due date for the 18-week schedule is coming up on January 16th. Now, all I did was I came here under course information and just clicked on this 18-week. Okay, and if I scroll down, I just want to show you what's due on Wednesday. Okay, I'm going to be looking for this assignment. How accurate is Crane Brinton? I'm going to be looking for this DBQ, and it will take more than 3 days for me to grade that. And that's it. Okay, this discussion right here, and I went over this the last live session that we had, this discussion right here is not due until the following Wednesday. Remember, whatever is on this day, okay, is due the following week, not on that day, okay? So for this assignment due date, I'm looking for two things. I'm looking for how accurate is Crane Brinton and this DBQ right here. Okay? So you may be wondering, well, how do I access those assignments? I'm going to show you. If we come up here to course materials and then go to content, I think I probably showed this to you last time. Our first unit is the French Revolution. And so if I click on this very first link right here, it opens up this new box, and there are several pages here for you to look at and read through, and that is how you learn French whatever we're studying. Okay, you just click through these different pages. Now, how did I get here again? I'll show you. From the course homepage. All right, you just click on course materials, content. Our first unit is French Revolution. I also know this is where I should be because it tells me that on my schedule. All right, this very first link opens up this box. Okay. Now, as you go through these pages and you learn all there is to know about the French Revolution, occasionally what you're going to come up on is an assignment or two. And there's also review items for you to partake in. All right, so this is our first assignment, okay? And I've already gone through all of these pages and made it to page 8. And then you can read this. And then there's our assignment. How accurate is Crane Brinton? And here are the instructions on what to do with the assignment, okay? So you're going to write an essay, and once you're finished with that essay, it says to submit it. All right, well, where do you submit it? Okay, well, if I go back to the course homepage, I have my assignment, my essay, it's written, it's on my desktop. I can come right here to assessments. And since this is an essay, it's a Dropbox item, I can click on Dropbox. Mine looks a little bit different because I'm in as a teacher view. Let me switch to a student view real quick. Okay, so I go to assessments and then Dropbox, and there is the folder for How Accurate is Crane Brenton. And all I do is add my file here. Okay, if you want to make a comment, that's fine, and then click submit. All right, so once you do that, as you can see, your submissions here are 0. Once you submit something, it'll turn into a 1. Okay. So that is how you find your assignment, figure out what you're supposed to do, and where you submit it. Okay. I'm going to remain here for probably another 15-20 minutes if anybody pops in. Remember, this is the time where you can come and interact with me in real time. I can share my desktop. So if you are in need of my services, please feel free to come and join me here on Tuesdays at 4 o'clock.